My daily routine. Hi, I am Marlene. I'm teacher at the Rural Educational Institution La Aurora in El Carmen de Viboral, Antioquia. I want to talk about my daily routine. First, I wake up early in the morning. I get up at 5 o'clock. Then I have a shower with my favorite soap, Johnson's Baby. After this, I get dressed. I really like blue jeans. Then I breakfast. I always eat arepa with cheese and eggs. I usually drink chocolate with milk. Then I brush my teeth. After this, I go to school at 7 o'clock. I travel in my car. My favorite class is maths. I always teach 5 hours of the class. The subjects that I teach are social, math, religion, English, and technology and computer science. I have lunch at school. I like to have soup and rice with chicken. I arrive home at 3 p.m. I always have a coffee. I break and I start class at 6 o'clock through the virtual platform of the University La Salle until 10 p.m. Then I do my homework. After this I have dinner. Finally I go to bed at 12 o'clock. My English teacher is Aurora. She is very intelligent and has a good heart. She is a pretty woman. Your skin is white and has blonde hair. I really like your class. With her I learned new things.